Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up an email on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to set up an email on GoDaddy. So once, of course, we're logged in into your account, we'll have to navigate to the option of professional email and Microsoft 365 or 365. Of course, you can just click as your name at the top right corner. Once you're here, of course, in this inbox links, you can actually sign into your office email or GoDaddy webmail. For me, I'm going to sign in my office email as an example. And of course, here I'll have to fill my email and password, then click at sign in. Once I do that, of course, I'll then have the option to select a plan, then purchase it or buy an email account, then access your email products, then simply enter your domain and fill out your email information, then complete the setup of an email on GoDaddy. That's gonna be simple, especially after you just bought or you just purchased the plan that you liked on setting up an email with GoDaddy. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.